Hi! In front of me is TCL 306, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this device. First of all, you need to download your new food app. In my case, it will be Opera mini browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and choose Home button. Now go into Settings, scroll down and select Apps section over here. Then you need to click on the food apps and tap on one of those sections. I want to change my browser, so I have to click on Browser app, choose my Opera and go back. And after that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!